Hi there. This is Padlock with alarm, model 327. It comes with 3 keys. So let me just do a quick demo. It comes with 3 keys, and when you first unlock it, of course it's ready without the alarm. So you note that there's a difference. And when you put it in this way, flip it over, a nice beep. And you have like 10 to 15 seconds to fix it on before the alarm goes off. So let's do it again. Make sure you hear the beep sound. Then that's good. Let's go. So if someone moves the bike, zoom in. If someone moves the bike just a wee bit, it would not go off. But should you try to break it or pick it or cut it, take it out, and it's off. Let's do it again, and this time just let it run for the full 20-30 seconds or 15 to 10 seconds. So let's see someone try to just yank the bike out. And we'll let it run till it stops. The thief has obviously given up. And it stops and waits for the next victim of a thief to scare off. So this is the alarm padlock. It's waterproof. We should put some water on it now.